Hey guys, what's up? This is Lsaverftw here. Welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to another pickups video. And today we're going to be going over some of the new items that I recently got over the Black Friday holiday sales. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about this Rick Owens pair of sneaker right here, the Dark Shadow, as you guys could already tell from the box. Also right here, a brand new pair of AMIRIs that I got. That's pretty much the items that we're going to be going over, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. On the Rick Owens box, you just get this nice shoe box right here. It's really not a standard shoe box, but it's more like a clothing kind of box. Copped it from Essence, copped a 42.5. Let's go ahead and open the shoes up right here. This is what we got. We got this nice tote bag. Really good quality tote bag, by the way. It's nice and thick, good material. Also, it comes with the embroidered Dark Shadow right here. I don't know if you guys can read that, but it says Dark Shadow right here. All right, so we're gonna be going over this pair of sneakers right here. This is the Dark Shadow Ramones in the latest colorway. It's gonna be the black denim instead of the black canvas. This material on top, it is an 18-ounce Japanese salvage denim right here. On the top, we got the milk cream laces. On the side of this sneaker right here, we have the stitching going throughout the whole entire sneaker, about 3/4 of a way towards the back. Beautiful stitching, very good quality. The shoes also got this thick giant mid bottom sole right here. It's not really noticeable, but when you actually have it on, it does give you some height. And we have the silver hardware throughout the sides right here, rounded toe box. The inside just stamped made in Italy, 42.5, and it has like some serial numbers. Right here on the bottom, we have this beautiful shark tooth bottom and a little flat piece towards the back. Also, there is a Dark Shadow font right here. And the difference between this one and the mainline Ramones is that the shark tooth goes from the top to the bottom on mainline, and also the material, it is a little bit different since a lot of the mainline shoes, they use leather, so the cost of the shoes is gonna be a little bit more. Essence recently had some really smashing deals, so I copped this one for about 500 bucks. I know they had this pair cheaper on other websites and whatnot, but then the thing is, it's so easy to return on Essence. I gave it a snag on there, and there is no company that had the 42.5. This was a pretty good purchase for me. In terms of sizing, I copped this one in a 42.5 and a 43 just to try it out. This shoe would probably be true to size for most people, but since my foot is kind of like in between like a 9.5 and 10, I went a size down from what I usually am. It really depends on your foot. Sometimes you know, people can get away going true to size, and sometimes you do need a size down. So for this one, I would say they are true to size, and the 43 I could live with. This one just fits me a lot better, and it's the 42.5. If I didn't already mention this sneaker also comes in a high top, and there was two colors to this one. It was the red denim and also the black denim. I went with the black denim. It's a really clean new look. That's pretty much it with the Dark Shadow Ramones in the black colorway. I hope you guys liked seeing it. Let's go over the next item I have right here. Shout out to AMIRI, man. They always have some clean packaging. Really like that for sure. I copped this pair off the Black Friday sale, and I think they had like around 30 to 40% off, and I think I got this one for about 40% off. Alright guys, so this is a pair of the AMIRI MX2 denim. This is one of the latest AMIRIs that recently dropped. Italian stretch denim right here. 7 pockets. Most jeans typically have 5 pockets. And the reason why this one is like a 7-pocket denim is because you get this big giant zipper on the side. Huge giant thigh pocket. Really nice AMIRI zippers too, also stamped with AMIRI. Also, you get this AMIRI button with the AMIRI logo right there. Label AMIRI size 33 right here, and also you get one on the back. Right here we have these zippers on the knee area, and you get this nice black leather patch sitting a little bit above your knees. This pair of denim is really comfortable. I own a bunch of AMIRIs already, but I had to pick this one up. Lately I've been kind of into the black denim versus the blue denim. Overall, really nice pair of jeans. Is a little bit weighted too because of the zippers. That's pretty much it for all my pickups for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little pickup video that I had. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some on feet shots of the shoes right now, and a little bit of the denim as well. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Hit that follow button on my Instagram if you guys can. Lsaverftw is definitely signing out. Peace.